Zojirushi is the gold standard for bread makers, but which model is right for you? Today, we break down the features, pros, and cons, so you know exactly which Zojirushi is worth your investment. Links to each of the best Zojirushi bread makers are in the description box below. If you're looking for a dependable bread maker built for small households that don't want to compromise on versatility, this one is a solid choice. Compact kitchens benefit from the footprint of the Zojirushi Maestro Breadmaker. Measuring under 14 inches tall and under 9 inches wide, this machine fits on most counters or inside cabinets without eating up all your available space. The built-in handle makes it easy to move or stow away. A unique advantage here is its range of 15 different settings, covering everything from basic white bread to more complex options like dough or jam. The adjustable knead, rise, and bake times let you tinker with recipes, which is handy if you have dietary restrictions or want to experiment. You can make everything from gluten-free loaves to custom cakes, so it's more than just a bread machine. The LCD panel stands out for being easy to read and straightforward. This means there's less trial and error, making it less intimidating if you're new to bread makers. With a non-stick pan, cleanup isn't a chore, and you don't have to worry about dough sticking. Keep in mind, this bread maker focuses on 1-pound loaves, so while it won't feed a big family at once, it's well suited for singles or couples. If you're seeking fresh bread without excess going stale, the compact loaf size is actually beneficial. While it's a bit pricier than entry-level options, the flexibility it offers is hard to match. If you want a machine that gives you more control over your recipes and fits easily into your kitchen routine, the Zojirushi Maestro Breadmaker delivers reliable performance for its size and features. Next up, if you're looking for the best Zojirushi bread machine, then the Zojirushi Mini Breadmaker stands out as a practical choice for anyone who wants freshly baked bread at home without taking up much counter space. The machine includes several automatic programs, so you can easily create bread, cakes, fruit jam, and different doughs, including for pasta and cookies. Features like the delay timer mean you can set up your ingredients the night before and wake up to a fresh, warm loaf. Selectable bread textures and crust options add some customization for your preferences, which is nice if you're particular about your bread. Not everyone needs a large bread machine, and with its 1-pound loaf capacity, this model can help minimize waste and keep your routine simple. Using the control panel is pretty simple thanks to a straightforward LCD interface. The viewing window is a helpful touch, making it easy to check progress without interrupting the bake. Cleanup is generally uncomplicated because of the non-stick pan and kneading blade, but keep in mind these should be washed by hand to maintain their finish. A sturdy carrying handle is included, which can be handy if you like to move appliances on and off your counter. Included accessories such as a recipe booklet and instruction video mean you can get started quickly, even if you're new to bread making. For anyone wanting the basics in a reliable, space-saving design, the Zojirushi Mini Breadmaker is definitely worth considering. Now for the runner-up on my best Zojirushi Breadmaker list, and it's a good one. Finding a bread machine that truly handles everything from classic white to specialty dough can be tough, but the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme covers this ground neatly. Its programmable design lets you alternate between bread, cakes, and even jam with minimal hassle. The 2-pound loaf capacity is especially good if you have several bread lovers in your household or you don't want to bake every day. If you're interested in having fresh bread ready when you wake up or return home, the 13-hour delay timer is hard to beat. For versatility, this machine goes well beyond simple bread. It handles various custom recipes, and you can tweak the crust shade to your preference. While there are many settings, the control panel is designed to be straightforward, so you won't be fumbling through complicated menus. Bread comes out with a traditional look thanks to the rectangular baking pan, which is a plus if you prefer sandwiches or want a more classic appearance. Easy cleanup matters, and this model's non-stick coating on the bread pan and paddles makes removing the finished loaf and post-bake cleaning more manageable. Size-wise, this bread maker is larger than most compact machines, so plan accordingly for counter or storage space. If you care about quality and flexibility, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme stands out head and shoulders above the average bread maker. Its range of features supports a variety of tastes and dietary needs, making homemade bread both accessible and convenient. For dedicated home bakers or anyone ready to upgrade from an entry-level machine, this top-of-the-line bread maker is a great choice. So, what is the best Zojirushi bread machine that you can buy? If you want to get the best Zojirushi bread maker that delivers reliable results loaf after loaf, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus stands out for its versatility and thoughtful design. This Zojirushi model is known for baking rectangular, even loaves that look just like what you get from a bakery. The double kneading blade system works the dough thoroughly, so you're likely to end up with a higher, more consistent rise and a soft, even crumb. You can pick from a range of crust colors, so whether you like your bread on the lighter or darker side, you have options. Choosing from the numerous course settings lets you experiment with multigrain, gluten-free, vegan, and salt-free recipes. If you want warm bread first thing in the morning, the programmable timer can delay your bake by up to 13 hours so you can wake up to the aroma of a fresh loaf. Convenience really shines with the easy-to-read LCD panel and straightforward controls. The build quality feels super solid, and features like the removable nonstick pan make cleanup simple. It does occupy a decent amount of space, so make sure you got room for it in your kitchen. While the price is on the higher side, the extra functionality and dependable performance definitely make it a worthwhile addition for serious home bakers. If you want consistent results, customizable options, and an appliance with solid construction, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus bread maker is what you need to buy. And with that said, buying the best Zojirushi bread maker isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in years of flawless loaves, sweetbreads, and even jam. Quality pays for itself with every bake. Links to each product are in the description box below.